trip to the Santa Monica's farmers market is more of an adventure than an errand. Locals and top chefs like Josiah Citrin come here on a regular basis to buy the finest seasonal organic produce. Today, Josiah's restaurant, Melisse, has the amazing award of 2 Michelin stars. So close to Hollywood, that's like winning an Oscar. Later on, I'm going to be cooking with Josiah in his beautiful kitchen, and we'll be making an authentic French meal, beginning with Josiah's version of French onion soup. It's a creamy recipe finished off with his signature twist, crab cakes. For the main course, Liberty duck breast à l'orange served with a colourful blood-eye introduction and tender baby turnips. Desserts on me. Warm crispy beignet served alongside a spiced chocolate sauce over a delicious cream gelato. So join me, Ashley James, as we start our day visiting this beautiful market. I'm Chef Ashley James. When I'm not catering to the demands of stars in LA, I'm touring the world cooking with culinary geniuses. Take your gourmet passport and learn how to cook like a master chef and eat like a celebrity.